unbox this metal raised garden bed.
Yeah, we just want to put it together here because it kind of snowed on us last night. We had a nice day yesterday. Got excited. We started putting up our hoop trellis, and we want to put these out there, but we don't want to stand out in the cold today.
It's in the 20s. Yesterday it was almost in the 60s.
Yeah.
Today is in the 20s. Welcome to Ohio.
So let's put a blanket on the floor and unfold.
So we don't want the floor getting scratched.
Not yet.
Not yet. So here, this is for like the base of the trellis that we started yesterday. And this is where we're gonna plant our crawling vegetables like the bitter melon. I'll have the Asian gourd. It's like a long, I don't remember the scientific name. And some other,
So they said this is like super easy, no tools required.
No tools required.
We'll see.
We'll see. Good luck.
We'll see.
Okay.
3-year warranty though. Must be a good one.
Yeah. So this is from
Plant Pilot. No, Plant Plot. Plant and Plot.
Plant and Plot.
Plant and Plot.
Plant and Plot.
Let's begin first.
It is heavy.
Attach 2 round panels by inserting the latches to
So,
holes in the shown.
Here's Bella.
Okay.
Bella. Here.
Okay.
This is Bella. She always wants to be on the video. This is her Bella. She's a Yorkie Poo. She's been with us for 11 years now. Wow, it's sturdy.
Here, look at this. Yeah, it comes in a bunch of pieces, parts. It looks like it just, basically, I think it just...
Oh, you clip it.
Yeah, let me see. They go down, yeah. So those are just gonna go down into there, right?
Let me take a closer look on this one.
There's hooks. And I believe they're all gonna just hook into each other like that. And we're gonna do something probably as time goes on.
You slide it up, then you press it down, I think.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, there. See?
Okay, hang on. Any hardware? There is hardware.
Excuse us
Screws.
for the mess on the couch.
Supports.
So that mess on the couch, no matter how many times we fold it, our Bella just ruins it.
She has fun with it. She loves to go out there and spin around in circles, so she loves to knock it on the floor.
Yeah, we're showing our mess here. But even if I fold it many times during the day, I put it on top of the couch. She just like...
Let's see both panels together by pressing down. That's just a shape. As I'm doing is bending them down.
Yeah,
now.
you bend it down.
For now, it kind of holds it in place.
Holds it in place, then later you'll secure it really good. So that's how it looks
I'm
like
starting.
for a start. And I'm not helping here.
Here.
Oh.
These are 2 curved ends we're going to put together. And when we get these assembled, then we can do the straights and put it all together.
I did 1 screw so far. So this is from Plant and Plot.
Yeah, I get it messed up.
Plant and Plot.
Plant and Plot.
Good quality though.
Yeah, it is. It's gonna be nice. For what we're gonna use it for, it's gonna be really cool.
So we have 2, 1 each on one side. And Mark built me a huge trellis.
sun's coming out a little bit. Melting the snow, yeah. Sun's supposed to be like 20s today. Maybe it might hit 30 high. I don't think it's going to. But then back up tomorrow, back up in the 50s. The next day 60s. So yeah, we're looking forward to what we got ahead of us here.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff done yesterday though.
Yeah, it was a good day. Good productive day.
Okay.
Final joint. It's hard to believe that this was in that little box.
Yeah.
And how they come up with this craziness, but
Yeah, check the size of this box.
pretty cool. But you know, I never guessed it.
We were like, that's small.
I'm like, what did I order? But it's what I ordered, and it's pretty cool. Right.
Teamwork.
Mm-hmm. You go twice as fast.
Twice 30 minutes.
So really, we should have got it done in 15 minutes, is what they're saying. I think it might have took us maybe.
So yeah, that's.
We're not even done yet, but we got it standing.
Yeah, we got it standing.
But we are gonna get her done.
And it comes with some rubber,
Cover the
like
top.
a rubber to cover the top so no one's hurt. But it's not even sharp.
No, it's not even sharp. It's just a rubber, nice little
for
rubber piece.
protection, yeah.
The rubber gasket. Okay, what we're gonna put in now, this is it's got like a support. They call it a tension bar. It already comes hinged together. It's gonna go in the center here. That'll keep this thing from bowing out and keep it strong and lasting for years. So that's going in. They show that going in the second hole up here, like so. It's a little awkward. Yeah. It's supposed to be the easy part. You get that wrench? There we go. Don't know where it goes. We'll attach it to the other side. Screw a little easier, just kind of hard over here. It was unhinged, so. You got her? All right. Huh? All right, there's our cross member that'll keep it from bowing out on us. We can fill that sucker up. Sucker up. You know what I mean? Okay, got the reinforcements. Okay, now your raised bed garden is assembled, finished by inserting the rest of the screws. We could wrap it up now. And then put the straight in. Alright?
We have the screws in the middle too.
Huh?
The screws in half in the middle.
Yeah, so we got 2 screws all the way around. And to finish the panels off. And that's what we'll do now. You get the Allen wrench in here. I'll just tighten these things going out.
So halfway, there's some holes that needs to be screwed, making it really sturdy. So we're down to the last screw. The last but not the least.
Thank goodness, man. We still got another one of these to do. I couldn't imagine doing this all day for a living. They said you do one every 30 minutes. That means 8 hours.
For one person doing it?
They want you to do 16 of them. Oh my gosh.
One person doing it?
But I guess you'd have power tools and you'd be set up different, but.
But using that Allen wrench,
yeah,
it's tricky.
Yeah, but I guess you'd have a DeWalt set up, which I could have set up. I'm sure I have one of these set up, but I didn't. But
like how you just like.
Yeah. You just pull, battery operated, and that would make that part go
faster.
Quicker, anyways. But this thing's it's wearing me out, man.
Yeah, let's show the rubber on top.
Huh?
We
What
can
is that after?
tighten it later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me tighten these last 2 here on the top one, and we'll put the rubber on. I just gotta tighten this last strip here.
Yeah.
Let me just tighten the strip.
We're making sure everything is tight.
I already went down that side.
The screws.
Oh, I didn't do that one.
No, these are new. I just put
Okay.
this.
All right. I'll do these last 2 strips, but we're gonna put the rubber strip on the top. Let me show you. This will complete the project.
Finalize.
So it's just a little rubber with a slot in it. A little slit, and we're just gonna slide that right over the top. All right. Okay. Start right here. Yeah, that makes it nice edge on it, right?
I feel like I don't want this getting dirty now.
She wants to keep it in the house now. Oh, I thought it was one big piece. It's in 2 pieces. RC split. Along with our bonus.
Along with a plant name tag.
How many got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or 6. Yeah, you always plan stuff and you never stake it. You always try to figure out what's what. But
Okay,
that is a good idea.
Is it? Cut this up.
Yeah. Try to cut extra long so they shrink. We won't cut right here. We'll push back now. Yeah?
Okay.
I'll do it. It
Yeah.
shrunk. It shrunk like it.
What do you mean?
Shrunk. I just want to push back. That's shorter. That's why I wanted to make it really long.
Okay, and this is the final output.
There you go. Pretty
There.
nice.
We plan on putting some rocks at the bottom for drainage,
Yeah.
some wood branches for it to rot,
Yeah, there's some rock.
just a filler, then we'll
Yeah.
put like
We'll
compost
top
and
it off with some dirt.
good soil.
Yeah.
And that's our project for today, our indoor project for now.
Right, yeah.
And you guys have a good one. And please do subscribe on our channel, Maria's Country Moments on YouTube. And we have a Facebook page too. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
All right, we discovered some more parts here. Underneath all the assemblies in the box. Here's the screws after your little clips. That's kind of like temporary, hold things together as you assemble it. Then you have some screw holes, which are just you know, for not even tools. You can do it your neuro diameters there, so you can grab it with your thumb and spin it on. You have your support bar, little rubber ring, looks like it goes around the top, and a little bonus, plant markers. Not a big deal, but yeah, those are cute.
Those are cute.
Right? She likes them.
So where do you use those screws?
So we're gonna put those in right here.
Oh,
Like after we put the clips in.
yeah, right.
Clips are temporarily, and then the screws will,
Just
yeah, make it more secure.
yeah, to make it really more secure, you
So it says just both the upper and bottom holes from the outside. We're not gonna do the middle hole. There's middle holes too, but we won't do those right now. Upper and lower hole. Oh, see, look, it come with its own tool. They send no tools. There it is.
It
No
came
tools.
with its own
Came
tool.
with its own little Allen wrench.
A little wrench.
Little wrench will fit this, and boom, there you go. There's this. You got your nut. It said, what did it say? Nut goes on inside, top and bottom. Yeah, like that. So yes, it's all galvanized, stainless, hardware. So yeah, should be no rusting, no corrosion, 3-year warranty. It should be good to go. I think it'll last a while once you get it all together. Here we are again. I think we got it figured out now. It's not bad actually. It's actually really easy, but it is our first one. It says it's half-hour assembly time. I don't know. I don't think I'm that bad on an assembler, but my first one's gonna take me probably a little longer. But I did buy 2 of them, and I got a helper now. So I think the second one we're gonna get done in a half hour after we get this first one done. Things are looking good.
They're looking good, but we don't believe it's gonna take us 30 minutes for each of this one to finish.
I told her definitely we can do it. I'm gonna time burn the next one.
Yeah. Let's do a contest who finish it first. Where's that? Where's that tool?
Oh, right.
So see, he just lost the tool.
That quick, man. See? We got one tool to keep track of. And son of a gun, and she didn't lose it.
He always does.
Ah, there it is.
And he blames-
She must have set it right there by the parts.
No, then he blames me. Every time he can find something, he blames me.
Ay, ay, ay.
I know you can relate to your husband.
Yeah. Wow, these are packed together too. Okay.
We finally brought these pots here where it's supposed to be, and now Mark is trying to dig to level the pot nicely. So, and there, I am just excited. Then we are gonna fill this up with some dirts, branches, some fillers, and yeah, so that's, look how tall it is. And he did put a support here, so if it's very windy, and he'll add more of the screws there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put those out here and there. This is temporary, but that's a really good temporary.
Yeah.
I got some to go all up down there, nice little clips.
And this is like
That one's good. Like it, right?
yes.
Try to get this ready so I can just kind of dig it right around the square and set it in.
refreshing all these shrubs. What do you call this, Pippi? Is this the elderberry?
We'll toss some cardboard, toss some fresh cardboard down. We'll remulch them here a couple weeks, and they'll be good for a whole year. At least really didn't get a chance to do it last year. Had so much going on, but they'll be looking good come the spring now. And we're gonna fertilize them.
Yeah, we fertilize this spring and fall.
Yeah, well, in winter time.
Winter time.
Late winter, started.